Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the physical link and terminal settings. This makes the console responsive. First, verify the switch is in a stable state and your terminal uses 9600 baud, 8-in-1, no flow control so you avoid garbled output. Next, pick the right cable, RJ45 to DB9 or a USB to serial adapter, because modern laptops lack DB9. Then plug the cable into the switch console port, secure the clip, and attach the PC end. Making that order reduces connector stress and ensures immediate access. Once the cable is connected, open your terminal emulator and select the serial port assigned to the adapter so you target the right device. Make sure the settings are 9600 baud, 8 data bits, no parity, 1 stop bit, and disable flow control. This matches Cisco defaults and prevents input loss. If the switch is off, power it on now and watch the boot sequence. If it's already running, press Enter to prompt the device. This confirms the console link and reveals iOS prompts or bootstrap messages. You finish by logging in and running basic commands like show version and show running config to verify full access. This confirms both physical and logical connectivity. If you see no output, make sure the COM port driver is installed, adapter LEDs indicate activity, and both cable ends are seated. Mismatched settings can also mute output. As a single troubleshooting tip, if it still fails, swap the adapter or try another computer to quickly identify whether the problem is the cable, the adapter, or the switch itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.